how to generate voice with AI. This is a very simple interface. You don't even have to sign up. You don't have to sign in. You can just generate for free, at least for I think about 20 audio. You can generate about 20 audios for free. So right here, I'm just going to explain how to use it for you. Right here, you have various options. Why I like this particular platform is we can even generate Nigeria English using this one. You will see the option for various English here. We have America, we have British, we have quite a number of languages here. So I'm going to select Nigeria English here. I'm going to select English Nigeria accent. Then once I have it selected, we have voices here. This is Obina. I wanted to listen to Obina's voice.
Victoria Island, the financial center of Lagos, is known for its beach resorts, boutiques, and nightlife.
I'm going to select another voice. This is a female voice, Sandy Wave. Let's hear her voice.
Victoria Island, the financial center of Lagos, is known for its beach resorts, boutiques, and nightlife.
So with what I just did now, I just showed you two voices. So I'm going to use the lady's voice for now. So I'm going to write, hello, everyone. My name is Adesua from Lagos. And another thing is, I need to give you a specific instruction when you are typing so that the AI can follow through. For instance, now, when you type hello everyone, make sure there is comma. You know, that's why they are teaching you English in school. Because if you just type it long, it will not pronounce it the way you want. It will just go anyhow. So you want to make sure that you have the right typing there. And if you are not sure of your typing, you can dictate. Look at this one where they wrote dictate. If I click on it, dictate, it will give me the option to use my mic. Hello everyone. Hi. You can see that it automatically generated what I said. Okay, hello everyone. It permitted me to use my mic. So I'm going to put full stop here and I'll say, now we are going to learn what we'll be doing in the class. You can see it gave me what I typed. Now we are going to learn what we'll be doing in the class. You can dictate. I know some of you must have seen Iron Man and you've seen Tony Stark, right? When he uses AI. So these are the kind of things that you begin to use here. I'm just going to delete this. And hello everyone, my name is Adesua and I am learning how to use the AI tool for video editing and cinematography. But when you are typing, I want you to bear in mind, always where you want comma, put comma, where you want full stop, put full stop. You know why? If you don't do that, it will just say it the way you don't like. And you'll be like, oh, this AI is not saying it the way I want. It's because you are not using the right punctuation mark. It's because you are not using the right punctuation mark. That's why it's not giving you what you want. So when you use when you are supposed to use apostrophe, use apostrophe. When you are supposed to use hyphen, use hyphen. When you're supposed to use comma, use comma. When you're supposed to use full stop, use full stop. Otherwise, it will not give you the way you want it to pronounce it. So let's see whether this is going to give us a good result. Hello everyone, my name is Adesua from Lagos and I am learning how to use AI tool for video editing and cinematography. Once you are done right here, it's very simple. Let me take you back on how we got here. Let me just click on create audio. This is going to process. It depends on how long your audio is, but I can assure you this is not going to take long at all. Make sure you have good internet. It is ready. So let me play this for you and you all listen.
Hello everyone, my name is Adesua from Lagos, and I'm learning how to use the AI tool for video editing and cinematography.
You can see that this is sounding more like an Hausa person. You can see the accent. Still one of the best platforms I've seen so far that gives us Nigeria accent for free. So let me try and use American English. Let's do American English for that. You'll see that it will come out perfect. I'm going to click on create audio. Okay, now I've generated American accent. So let me try and play it for us to see the result.
Hello everyone, my name is Adesua from Lagos, and I'm learning how to use the AI tool for video editing and cinematography.
You can see that is a guy's voice, but that is an American accent. That's why it sounded that way. I always love female voice because it's not too deep. You can see this one, the voice is too thick.
Hello everyone, my name is Adesua from Lagos, and I'm learning how to use the AI tool for video editing and cinematography.
I think that brings us to the end of today's class.